We'll guide you through how to make text box in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to add clear and professional-looking text to their videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Beginners often need guidance on basic tools like creating text boxes, while others want to improve video quality for content creation, presentations, or social media, making their projects more engaging and informative. To begin creating a text box in Premiere Pro, first click the Windows Start button on your computer and type Adobe Premiere into the search bar. When the application appears in the search results, click Open to launch it. Once the program is running, click on New Project to start a fresh project. You will then be prompted to enter a project name, so type any name you prefer. After naming your project, click Browse to choose where you want the project files to be saved. Navigate to your desired folder, select it, and then click Select Folder. When all the settings are complete, click OK to create the project. Next, to begin working, double-click the Import Media to Start area in the main panel. This will open a file browser window where you can locate the image or video file you want to use. Select your chosen file and click Open to import it into Premiere Pro. Once the media is imported, click and hold the file, then drag and drop it onto the timeline to start editing. To create a text box, move your cursor to the T icon in the toolbar, or simply press the T key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click and hold the cursor on the text tool to reveal two options: the Type tool and the Vertical Type tool. For standard horizontal text, select the Type tool. Then click anywhere on the preview panel and type the sentence you want to display. If you want to experiment with vertical text, you can instead choose the Vertical Type tool and click on the panel to type vertically. After entering your text, go to the Effect Controls panel and locate the text settings to customize its appearance. For example, you can adjust the font size by dragging the font size slider left or right until the text appears at your desired size.